In this video, I will be showing you how to make K-pop banner in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the search bar on the templates page and type in banner. I want to start from scratch, so I'll click on the option to create a blank landscape banner. This opens up my workspace. Now I'll go to the Elements tab and search for retro to find a cool background. I'll switch over to the Photos tab to see more options and scroll through until I find the perfect one. I found a wavy, colorful pattern I like, so I'll right-click it and set it as my background. To make it a bit softer, I'll click the Transparency tool and lower it slightly. Next, I'll add a text box and type out K-pop. To give it the right aesthetic, I'll browse through the font library. I'm looking for something bold, so I'll try out a few options like Caladine and Moonshine before settling on the Horizon font. I'll scale the text up to make it nice and large, then center it on the canvas. I'll add another text box underneath and type in Game Night. I'll adjust the size and placement to make sure it sits perfectly under the main title. Time to add some graphics to bring the banner to life. I'll search for K-pop in the Elements tab to find some themed stickers. I'll start with a light stick graphic, resize it, flip it horizontally, and rotate it so it leans against the text. I'll also add a bias sticker and a finger heart, placing them around the letters to add some personality. To balance the design, I'll add 2 more light sticks on the right side. I'll also add this cute one more episode graphic to the top left corner. Finally, I'll select all the elements and the text to ensure everything is properly grouped and aligned. I'll spend a few moments nudging the stickers and fine-tuning the layout until I'm happy with the overall look. And that's how you create a custom K-pop banner in Canva. Thanks for watching.